Hi guys, we are going to be doing 13.4 where we are finding unknown measurements. Either they give us the perimeter, the area, and we have to figure out the piece that they did not give us. So let's go ahead and grab a piece of paper. And as always, please go ahead and put your name on the top along with 13.4. So let's take a peek at number 1. Number 1, we have a rectangle. And the length is 20 feet. And we don't know how tall it is or the width is, but we do know that the perimeter equals 54. So I know that 20 on the bottom and 20 on the top because the top and the bottom are the same. So in my head, I'm going 20 plus 20 gives me 40. So I know that 40 feet is already taken from the top and the bottom. So I'm going to subtract my 40. 54 minus 40 gives me 14. Now I know that my left and my right have to be the same. So I'm going to divide my 14 by 2 so that I can get my left and my right the same. And that gives me 7. So my width equals 7 feet. Let's go ahead and try out number 2. Number 2, we have a rectangle and it's 9 meters and the perimeter equals 42 meters, but we don't know the top and the bottom. We don't know the length. So I know that we have 9 here, so this means that there's 9 there. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So I have my 42 that they gave me minus my 18 from my 9 and 9. 2 minus 8 I can't do. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So I have 24 to split from my top and my bottom. So 24 divided by 2 gives me 12. Meters. Okay, let's take a peek at number 3. Number 3, we have a rectangle. And we know that the top and the bottom are 4, but we don't know about the left and the right. But we know that it's an area equaling 28. So with area, that's multiplication. So we have 4 times something equals 28. Or I can do my fact family, 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Let's work out number 4. Another rectangle. We have 25 inches and the area is 200. So we have something times 25. So 25 times something equals 200. Or we could do 200 divided by 25 gives me. So I was thinking like quarters. I know that 4 quarters gives me 100. So I'm thinking it must be 8. So we know our missing piece is 8. Let's check out number 5. Susie is an organic vegetable grower. The perimeter of her garden is 72. The width of the garden is 9. What is the length? So we have to go, all right, we have our rectangle And we know that it's 9. Well, the top and the bottom are 9. So again, 9 plus 9 gives me that 18. So my 72 minus my 18. 2 minus 8 I can't do. 12 minus 8 gives me 4. 6 minus 1 gives me 5. So we're looking at 54, and I need to figure out the left and the right. So my 54 divided by 2. 2 can go into 5 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 4. 2 can go into 14 7 times. So our length is 27. Number 6, they want us to come up with our own for our rectangle. So let's come up with our own area for a rectangle. If I have this area as 5, and this is unknown, but my area is 30, I can think 5 times something equals 30. Or I could do 30 divided by 5 equals something. And I'm thinking that it equals 6. Beautiful job, you guys. When you are finished with 13.4, please make sure that you take a picture and send it to me via Remind or acornwilliman@cableone.net. And then please go ahead and log into Galileo and take your 13.4 quiz. If you do not have internet, please go ahead and take your printed copy and then send me a picture of the key 1 through 5 and A, B, C, D. Thanks, guys.